So just to go through the main key features of the phone, this is a 256 gigabyte internal memory, which can be expanded up to 1 terabyte. It is the Galaxy A54 5G. Also has 8 gigabyte RAM. It's a really good stereo sound system. Screen size is 64-inch, which is good as well. I think the main feature of this one is its triple camera lens here, which is up to 50 megapixel. And the selfie camera right here is up to 32 megapixel. It has a Super AMOLED display, so it's nice and clear. And I think last is it's IP67 rated for water and dust resistance. So overall, it's a good camera. Okay, let's switch it on. Yeah. We managed to transfer everything from the old Samsung to this one. It just needed to be paired, and yeah, it was really quick to transfer everything. Yeah, that's the camera. It's just really nice and crisp. So yeah, overall, we're very happy with the phone. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G series nila, which came out about March, I think, of this year, 2023. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon so you will get notified every time we post a new video. Thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.